Sea cucumbers are a popular seafood delicacy in many parts of the world, particularly in Asia. They are known for their unique texture and flavor, as well as their high nutritional value. In this article, we will explore the nutritional benefits of sea cucumbers, as well as some popular recipes and the calorie content of sea cucumber dishes. Nutritional benefits. Sea cucumbers are a rich source of nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly high in protein. Sea cucumbers are a good source of protein, containing around 15 to 20 grams per 100 grams of raw sea cucumber. Collagen. Sea cucumbers are rich in collagen, a protein that is essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Chondroitin sulfate. Sea cucumbers are a natural source of chondroitin sulfate, a compound that is often used to treat joint pain and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids. Sea cucumbers contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and brain function. Vitamins and minerals. Sea cucumbers are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin B12, calcium, and magnesium. Cooking and preparation. Sea cucumbers are a versatile ingredient that can be cooked in a variety of ways, including stir-frying, boiling, and braising. Before cooking, the sea cucumber needs to be prepared, which involves cleaning and soaking to remove any sand or dirt. Here are some popular sea cucumber recipes. Stir-fried sea cucumber. This simple recipe involves stir-frying sliced sea cucumber with vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and carrots. The sea cucumber is cooked until it is slightly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Sea cucumber soup. This soup is made by simmering sea cucumber with chicken or pork broth, along with vegetables such as mushrooms and bok choy. It is a popular dish in Chinese cuisine and is believed to have health benefits, such as improving circulation and strengthening the immune system. Braised sea cucumber. This dish involves braising sea cucumber with a flavorful sauce, such as soy sauce, oyster sauce, and garlic. The sea cucumber is cooked until it is tender and absorbs the flavors of the sauce. Stir-fried sea cucumber is a popular dish in many Asian cuisines, particularly in Chinese cuisine. This dish is often served at banquets and special occasions due to its unique texture and flavor, as well as its nutritional benefits. To prepare stir-fried sea cucumber, the sea cucumber needs to be cleaned and soaked in water for several hours to remove any sand or dirt. Once cleaned, the sea cucumber is sliced into thin pieces and cooked in a wok or frying pan with vegetables and seasonings. Here is a recipe for stir-fried sea cucumber.